everyone, this is Selena.
This is Hallie.
We are close friends, global 친구.
친구. Let's learn native Korean numbers today.
There are two types of numbers in Korean. The Sino Korean numbers and the native Korean numbers.
Our focus today will be on native Korean numbers. The native Korean numbers are used to count from 1 to 99, the age of people, the hour and the time, and counting how many of objects, people, things, animals, and more.
Let's begin! Yay!
1,
하나, 하나,
2,
둘, 둘,
3,
셋, 셋,
4,
넷, 넷,
5,
다섯, 다섯,
6,
여섯, 여섯,
7,
일곱, 일곱,
8,
여덟, 여덟,
9,
아홉, 아홉,
10.
열, 열.
Now let's count from 1 to 10.
하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯, 일곱, 여덟, 아홉, 열. So now you can count 1 to 10. Yay!
So after 10, all you need to do is put 10 and then the number afterwards. So 11 is 10 plus 1, so it's
10, 1. So 열, 하나.
12.
10, 2. 열, 둘. 열둘.
13,
열셋. 열셋.
14,
열넷. 열넷.
15,
열다섯. 열다섯.
16,
열여섯. 열여섯.
17,
열일곱. 열일곱.
18,
열여덟. 열여덟.
19,
열아홉. 열아홉.
20.
We say 스물. 스물.
Seu-mul. So 21 is the same as 11, so 20 plus 1, 21.
스물 하나. 스물 하나.
And so on. All you need to remember is the name for each of the tens. So 30,
서른. 서른.
31,
서른 하나. 서른 하나.
40,
마흔. 마흔.
50,
쉰. 쉰.
60,
예순. 예순.
70,
일흔. 일흔.
80,
여든. 여든.
90,
아흔. 아흔.
100.
Ooh. So we don't really use the native Korean numbers to count 100. So in this case, we have to use the Sino Korean numbers to count 100. 백. 백.
101,
백. 하나. 백. 하나. So there's no native Korean numbers for 백. So we have to use the Sino Korean numbers, 백, plus 하나, the native Korean numbers, 하나. So 백, 하나. So we combine the Sino Korean numbers plus the native Korean numbers after 100.
We use native Korean numbers to say your age. When you say your age in Korean, you use the native Korean number followed by the counter.
살, 살.
So how old are you, Selena?
15살, 15살.
15 years old.
So Haley, 몇 살이야? How old are you?
21살.
응? 21살? No. There are some exceptions.
There are some exceptions for the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, and 20. What you need to do is you drop the last letter from those native Korean numbers and then you add the counter on.
So 1 was Ha-na, but you drop the last letter from Ha-na and it becomes Han.
Han.
Han. So 1 is Han. 1 year old is not 하나 살. It's 한 살. 한 살. 11 years old is not 열하나 살. It's 열한 살. 열한 살.
2.
두 살.
3.
세 살.
4.
네 살.
And 20.
스무 살.
Let's practice. How old are you?
스무 살.
20 years old.
33살.
33 years old.
42살.
42 years old.
So now you know how to say your age in Korean. Yay!
We also use native Korean numbers to count something. When you want to count something, you use the native Korean number followed by the counter.
개.
1,
한 개.
2,
두 개.
3,
세 개.
4,
네 개.
5.
다섯 개. And so on.
Also remember the exception when we dropped off the last letter for the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, and 20. This also needs to happen here. It needs to happen for every counter that you add after the number.
Haley, 아이스크림 몇 개 있어? How many ice creams do you have?
Ice cream 5개 있어.
Ooh, 3개 주세요. Can I have 3 ice creams?
1개?
Oh, that's not enough. We also use these native Korean numbers to express the time.
We use the native Korean numbers to express the hours in the time only. The Sino Korean numbers are used to express minutes and seconds, which we will learn in another video. The counter for the number of hours is
시.
1 o'clock,
1시.
2 o'clock,
2시.
3 o'clock,
3시.
4 o'clock,
4시.
5 o'clock,
5시.
11 o'clock,
11시.
12 o'clock.
12시.
So all you need to do is combine the number and the counter.
시.
Native Korean numbers are also used to count people and animals. The counter for people is
명.
1 person,
한 명.
2 people,
2명.
3 people,
3명.
4 people,
4명.
5 people,
5명.
and so on. The counter for animals is
말이.
Selena, how do you say pig in Korean?
Pig. Oh, that's so cute. 돼지.
Okay, so 1 pig,
돼지 한 마리.
2 pigs,
돼지 2마리. 돼지 2마리.
that's us.
Oh, yeah. 돼지 2마리. We love eating.
3 pigs,
돼지 3마리. 돼지 3마리. We need another one to join us. Where's another 돼지?
In Korea and other countries, we would count 1, 2, 3, 4 sheep, etc. when we can't fall asleep.
양, 양.
That's how you say sheep. So we will be making a video to help you fall asleep faster whilst learning how to count in native Korean numbers by counting sheep.
양, 양 한 마리,
양 한 마리.
양 두 마리.
I'm asleep already.
Yeah.
If you have any questions, leave us a comment below. How old are you?
몇 살이에요? 몇 살이야? Leave your answer
In Korean.
in Korean. Yes, in Korean.
Next time we will be making a video on the Sino Korean numbers. See you then.
좋아요와 구독을 눌러주세요.
Don't forget to like and subscribe to our video.
그럼 다음에 봐요.
다음에 봐요.
See you next time.